Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the filter circuits. Let's know the definition of filter circuits. A type of circuit designed to perform the frequency selection is called a filter circuit or simply a filter. A filter circuit is in general a combination of inductor capacitor which is known as LC filter circuit. Third point is in general the filter circuit allows to pass some desirable frequencies and to reject unwanted frequencies. Next, let's know the types of filter. There are basically four types of filter which we have to study. First, low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter and band reject filter. Let's know the first part, that is low pass filter. It is a type of filter that passes signal with a frequency lower than a selected cutoff frequency and attenuates signal with frequencies higher than the cutoff frequencies. Okay, means you can see the figure. Here you will get that this is cutoff frequency and below which it allows to pass the frequency, that is known as pass band, and after this it not allowed, that is known as the stop band. Now high pass filter. High pass filter HPF is an electronic filter that passes signal with a frequency higher than a certain cutoff frequency and attenuates signal with frequency lower than the cutoff frequencies. You can see by your diagram. Here what you will see, this is the cutoff frequency and above this frequency it allows to pass the frequency, that is known as the pass band, and below this no any type frequencies may be passed, that is known as the stop band. Next one is band pass filter. A band pass filter is a device that passes frequencies within a certain range, that is FC1 to FC2, and reject frequencies outside that range. It means it allows the frequencies to pass between FC1 and FC2. You can see the diagram here. FC1 FC2 is the pass band frequencies which allows to pass only. Okay, and stop band means frequencies less than FC1 and frequency greater than FC2 will be rejected, that is known as stop band. Next one is band reject filter. Band reject filter or stop filter is a filter that passes most frequencies unaltered but attenuates those in a specific range to very low levels. It is just opposite of band pass filter. Let us have a look on a figure. You can see the stop band frequencies is between FC1 and FC2 and the pass band frequencies is below FC1 and after FC2. That's why it is known as band reject filter. It means it reject very low frequency, that is between FC1 and FC2. Okay, thank you.